To review Localbiz AI. Localbiz AI is basically software or platform help you to close the client and on automation. Basically, you can find client with the help of Localbiz AI. This software will help you to reach out the many people across the globe. So basically, this product is for the freelancers, social media owner, social agency owner, digital marketer. These people can use this local BZI. Local BZI beneficial for those who is in online field. So watch us build a complete AI powered local marketing agency that finds despite client, create custom pitches and deliver premium services automatically for multiple niches, turn into $15,000 per month recurring revenue business. So this software help you basically create custom pitches and deliver premium services automatically on behalf of you and find client as per your niche and your target audience. So pro system smart entrepreneur are using to build hands-on free AI local marketing agency that generate $50,000 per month without any marketing experience. Regular with zero business background are created multiple agency website in different local niches that attract higher value client convert automatically. You can set up local marketing empire with the help of local biz AI. You can get a free sign up for the webinar and win a free copy of local biz AI. Once in a lifetime opportunity. If you still need more information to make decision, keep regard reading but aware. If you take the time to read every word this page, it's all so 50 words sports may go on. This is one of the good software for the agency owner, freelancer, social media marketer or digital marketer. Here is some result from their clients. Got my first client AI automation agency existing. There is so many result on this page. So basically this is one of the good platform you can use. This is a pre-launch offer. They offering the free copy of the local BZI plus $150 credit and more. So don't wait and go and sign up for the webinar and be a part of this local biz AI. That's my review. This is one of the best platform for the agency owner or social media marketer. That's my review for this.